Britain's Queen Elizabeth II, head of the Commonwealth and monarch of 15 countries, has died aged 96 after more than 70 years on the throne, Buckingham Palace announced yesterday. Queen Elizabeth died at the Balmoral Royal Estate in Scotland this afternoon after having suffered from health problems since last October. She was in her Platinum Jubilee year, marking 70 years since she succeeded her father, King George VI, in 1952. All her children, including heir to the throne, Prince Charles, rushed to be at her side at Balmoral, aides said. Mention may be made here that when Queen Elizabeth came to the throne in 1952, some Britons were so thrilled by the young queen they declared it was a second Elizabethan age. Elizabeth II would come to embody not only the British monarchy but a tradition of doing one's duty and maintaining a stiff upper lip. On her 21st birthday, she pledged to her future subjects. It was a promise she never forgot. Queen Elizabeth, the longest lived British monarch, reigned through 14 American presidents and just as many British prime ministers, proving herself a savvy stateswoman and a constant leader on the world stage. The Queen, who traveled on more than 271 state visits during her reign, was sometimes the only female on the stage with world leaders, and she always stayed mum on her personal political opinions, proving her mastery of soft diplomacy.